Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 19 Pro and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first, let's open the security and click on virus scan. Now wait a couple of seconds, it will be done automatically, so you just have to wait until it's done. As you can see, we are at risk, so one virus have been detected, and you can clean your device by tapping on the clean now icons, all of them, to wipe all the unnecessary stuff where your Trojan can be found. So that's it. Then we can also pick this one, clear now, and this is how you can do it. And after that, you'll be able to scan your device one more time and find out if any viruses have been detected or if this one have been correctly removed. So that would be all. So you can perform a virus scan on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.